Hi everyone, and today's video is about auto museum. So we visit here. Nandito tayo ngayon magbibisit sa antique ng mga auto. Ito yung mga souvenir nila. May t-shirt at saka may coffee cup. At least. Yan siya. At may iba pa dyan. Ito naman yun sa loob. Kaya keep in watching until the end. Enjoy lang kayo dyan.
This is her.
Amen.
I'm Marcy Green.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Welcome for my vlog, Marcy Green vlog.
One with the plaid shirt. Oh.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Ito na yung mga antique na auto. Ang gaganda nila. Yung ano pa noon mga style na yan.
Yeah.
Mga unique. Pero ang ganda tingnan. 1926 pa. Talagang antique. Tagal na nito. Pero maganda pa rin tingnan bago. Dito sa nila museum.
Auto. It's beautiful. Look at that. Wilson Clark, 1926. Cost when new is $3,150. This is the Red Crown. The other is over there. This one is 1922. This one. Was 3,000 before 1922. (1920s) is 1925. Oh. 1921. (1926). Look at the model.
Yan naman ay white color. Ang daming different color ng auto. May blue, may orange, may yellow, may red.
Look at that.
Ito is the best.
Cool.
Still very new. But is antique. So cool. Look at that. Nice auto.
Beautiful.
If you want.
Look at that. So beautiful. This one at the back. And this one for This one for in front. Wow. One is 1926 din. That is antique also. It's drill press. Ito naman yun sa ano. $1896. Wow, this is a Henry Ford quadricycle replica. Look at that, antique. So dito na lang kami, at dito sa kabila may nakatakip, hindi pwede daanan, kaya ayan siya, oh. So dito na lang tayo, guys. Thank you so much. At ito, nagdadrive na kami papuntang uuwi na. Ito yung mga factory dito, lalaking factory dito. Malapit lang din yan dito sa museum dito. So thank you for watching, and thank you for all my membership and my subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much sa inyong panonood. See you next time.